Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning the must-know Chinese phrases for daily life conversations. I'll be using the same 22-word phrases that start with how from the previous video. I'll be adding 不 to each of the two-word phrases so that you can use them easily in your daily life conversations when you want to express phrases that are negative. 不 means do not or not. 不傻 means not silly. 不萌 means not cute and dazed. 不新 means not new. 不旧 means not old. 不老 means not old. 不呛 means not strong. 不嫩 means not tender. 不脆 means not crispy or not crunchy. 不深 means not deep, not difficult to understand, not dark. 不浅 means not shallow or not light. 不轻 means not light. 不重 means not heavy. 不沉 means not heavy in a way that is sinking. 不粗 means not rough or not thick. 不滑 means not smooth or not slippery. 不细 means not thin or not detailed. 不爽 means does not feel good. 不好玩 means not fun or not nice to play. 不气 means not angry. 不好笑 means not funny. Now is quiz time. What do you say when you want to say that is not silly? You can say 不傻. What do you say if it is not funny? You can say 不好笑. What do you say if something is not heavy? You can say 不重 if it's not heavy, 不沉 if it's not heavy such that it's sinking. What do you say if it does not feel good? You can say 不爽. What do you say if something is not fun? You can say 不好玩. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint. Click on the video in the middle for the previous video.